Lada. Remember the word Lada? What does the word Lada mean? L. Look. A. We know we're going Blackburn, which is ahead.
Yep.
This roundabout does not have a signboard.
Okay.
How can you tell which exit are you taking?
Straight ahead.
But which number of exit? First, second, or
I
third?
don't know.
Arrows. How many arrows painted on this lane?
Two.
Left, first exit. Going ahead, which exit?
Second.
Yeah, but we're approaching a bit too fast here. What speed did we say we need to be approaching?
15 or less.
Okay, and what do we do after the first exit? Don't worry about the speed. Relax. Relax. We're not in a racing track. Okay? Just because others speeding doesn't mean we speed.
Yeah,
either.
it's habit, yeah.
Alright? Approaching the roundabouts. What do you think you're doing slightly wrong?
Not going slow enough.
Yes. You're approaching a bit too fast. Now, just because other road users are approaching fast doesn't mean that you have to do the same thing either.
Yeah.
What is a risk you might be taking approaching too fast? Tell me. What is the risk? Forget about what they're doing. You tell me about the risk.
I go over the line and I collide with the...
Okay, that's one thing. Do you have any idea that why do we approach slow on the roundabout or any junctions? What is your common sense telling you? Think about it.
To stop.
Why do we stop?
So people can go.
If necessary, but approaching slowly, how would that benefit you other ways as well? There's other things.
Quicker.
Yeah, good. What other things you can think of? If you're approaching slowly, would that will give you the better opportunity to scan the area and plan better?
Yeah.
Yeah? So as you're approaching slowly, you can glance, okay, glance again.
Yeah.
Now, I can glance a couple of times and assess the situation. But if I'm approaching in a hype,
Then you're too busy focusing on the speed, and then
yeah, what if in that somebody will come extremely fast, motorbike, e-bikes? Would you have enough time to react then?
No.
What would you prefer? A fast, aggressive driving style or a safe, defensive driving style?
Defensive. Always defensive.
That's always defensive, isn't it? That's all I want you to do though, yeah?
Yeah.
So any junction which is a closed view, what is the best thing to do then?
Slow.
And then quickly, maybe for a few seconds, we use a forward. Lada. Remember the word Lada? What does the word Lada mean? L. Look. A. Assess.
Assess.
D. Decide.
Decide.
And A.
Accelerate.
Act.
Oh, act. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look, assess, decide, act. Or sometimes I says look early, decide early, act early as well. But stopping is fine on a closed view. Of course, if it's an open view junction and you know nobody's coming, we can go. One more thing which I want you to start doing, because it's the first time you're driving like that, when you're approaching, you're focusing too much on the right, don't you? But what about looking ahead? Because if you know there's a cars going straight, what do we call them?
The
Starting with the word with B. Blockers.
blockers.
So,
I'm never going to remember.
so
those.
look at that, those cars are coming. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Those two cars, potentially car blocking the traffic coming from the right.
Yeah.
A lot of people, they only look on the right, but start looking for the blockers. But what if you got the blockers, we can go. But also sometimes it benefits you because oncoming traffic, if they're signaling going onto your right front of your road,
Yeah.
you can stop as well.